What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is our 2017 Dodge Durango RT. Good vehicle. I've put about 60,000 miles on it. I drive it quite a bit. It is not a perfect car. It's had quite a few unscheduled maintenance that some have been quite pricey. But, as of late, no issues. Just drive it normally. I've got the Diablo Sport tune on it, as well as the unlocked PCM and the Mopar Performance exhaust. And I really like it. See my other videos about that. And if our video helps you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. This video is about the emergency brake pedal. Very simple. Let's get a flashlight here. Alright, the little emergency brake pedal. That little pad right there on mine was barely hanging on anymore. And replacing it is not that difficult. However, there's one tricky little thing about it. So you can buy this pretty much anywhere online. I'll put a link down below where you can get it online, but you can get it at your auto parts stores, whatnot. Just enter your year, make, and model and make sure it looks similar to yours. The only slightly tricky thing, now I've already installed mine, so I can't completely show you, but on this side here, let's see if I can get a good look at it here for you. Around this side, there's a tiny little rubber tab. You may not be able to see it, but it sort of comes out from right in here. There's a little rubber tab that pokes into the pedal itself. And make sure that you put that in properly. You may have to use like a tiny screwdriver and just sort of shove it in there. The other side is pretty self-explanatory when you look at it. It kind of wraps around that way, wraps around it. And if you want to do it really properly, do some very thin heavy-duty two-sided tape, like a 3M two-sided tape. I'll put a link down below for that. Before you install it, after you pull the old one off, clean it off, and put a real skinny heavy-duty two-sided tape on there first. That's how it is from the factory, actually. Then when you put this one on, the new one, it'll wrap around here and here. Then you'll poke that little bitty tab in the side, and it'll sit nice and flush like you see that there. Otherwise, you'll sit there and look at it and go, how's this thing supposed to go on? And I already tossed the original one, so I can't show you directly. But you'll see what I mean around that side right there. It needs to poke in to a little hole right inside. The rest of it's self-explanatory. Anyway, I'm about to do an oil change on it. I have another video about that. So if you want to see the playlist link for this vehicle, there's several other videos of stuff we've done to it and fixes we've done and whatnot. So check that out. And we got hundreds of other videos on our channel relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, golf carts, scooters, classic cars, working around the house, appliances, you name it. There's all kind of cool stuff. And as I said in the beginning, if our video helped you or helped you not make a mistake or gave you a good idea or something, whatever the positive thing was, make sure you click the thanks button that you see underneath the video screen and shoot us a donation. Do that with any monetized YouTube channel because YouTube is completely free, and some people go to great lengths to make sure that you get good videos. My videos are not professionally shot and edited and all that, but the information might be helpful. So if that's the case and it saved you time and money, please shoot us a donation. Look for golf cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia, and look at our eBay store also. We have all kinds of cool stuff there. The links are in the description. Have a great day.